Hello friends, here are the top 5 free websites to learn programming for beginners. If you are a beginner and want to learn programming for free, then keep watching this video. Guys, back to the time we all know that many people are not interested in learning programming, but at this time more and more people want to learn programming. So now let's have a look at the top 5 free website to learn programming for beginners. Guys, the number 1 website is Code Academy. Now what are the advantages of learning programming from this website, or why should you learn programming from this website? Guys, number 1 advantage is that this website offers free courses. You can learn free from this website. And this website offers wide range of programming languages and topic, and it is good for intermediate level or advanced level learners. Now what are the disadvantages of learning programming from this website? Guys, number 1 disadvantage is that you cannot skip any lessons. You have to complete all the lessons, and you cannot try paid plans for free, and courses are not available offline. You have to be online. Now let's come to our second website. Guys, the second website is BitDegree. What are the advantages of learning programming from BitDegree? Guys, number 1 advantage is that BitDegree offers most of the course free of cost. Now let's talk about our second advantage. You can shift your batch timing according to your choice, and BitDegree offers live online courses, interactive classes. Now, what are the disadvantages of learning programming from BitDegree? Number 1 disadvantage is that if you are an intermediate learner or advanced learner, then it is not good for you, and it has very few community features. Now let's come to our third website. Guys, our third website is FreeCodeCamp. What are the advantages of learning programming from FreeCodeCamp? Guys, number 1 advantage is that FreeCodeCamp is absolutely free. You can learn all things free from this website, and after completion of course, it gives you a certificate, and it has a very good community. Now let's talk about some disadvantages. What is the disadvantage of this website, or why should you not learn programming from FreeCodeCamp? Number 1 disadvantage is that FreeCodeCamp not explain concept in much depth, and this website focus too much on basics. So it is very good for beginners but not for intermediate learners, right? And there is no offline version of this website. Now let's come to our fourth website. Guys, our fourth website is SoloLearn. What are the advantages of learning programming from this website? Guys, number 1 advantage is that its gamification feature. You get certificate batches time to time in this website, and this website is completely free. You can learn free from this website. And yes, this website has an offline version. You can download its app. Now what are the disadvantages of learning programming from this website, or why should you not learn programming from this website? Number 1 reason is that it is not very useful for intermediate learner or advanced learner. It is very good for beginners but not for intermediate or advanced learner. And number 2 is that it focuses only on the commonly used language, not all the languages. Now let's come to our fifth website, guys. Our fifth website is W3 Schools. What are the advantages of learning programming from this website? Guys, number 1 advantage is that it is very easy to learn from this website, and this website has very well organized tutorials. And number 3 is that its built-in editor feature. You can play with example and edit the examples. Now what are the disadvantages of learning programming from this website, or why should you not learn programming from this website? This website only has written tutorials, and this website certificate is not recognized.